full body animation feels too hard for you or you don't know where to start, don't worry. In this 8-minute tutorial, I'll break down my full body animation process into simple steps so you can follow along and see results fast. To animate something like that, we first draw the sketches using a comfortable pen size. Learn how to animate full body with these 3 simple steps. Number 1. Animate sketches first on a base layer. This is a simple animation of a character raising his hands and making a blast. So first step is to make a sketch animation. You can use whatever form of anatomy or sketch drawing you like to achieve this. As for me, I'll be drawing my sketch dude like this. Round joints, a square body, and thin line limbs, nothing too serious. Back to the animation. Since the tutorial is about full body animations and not how to animate blasts, I'll just show a quick time lapse of my sketch animation. Although if you want to learn how to animate blasts, check out the tutorial playlist on the channel. By the way, guess how long this whole animation took and let me know in the comments section. In this frame, he moves back a little as he raises up his hands for the blast. I'll add a frame between the rest and final pose for the in-between. I'll animate smears in this frame to show fast motion. Here, the smears only apply to his head and hand. We'll leave the rest of the body somewhat static. And finally, in this frame with his hands out, the blast come out. I'll add some impact frames here to spice things up. After adding the impact frames, don't forget to add a little shaky effect to the character. Step 2 after making the sketch animation is to start with line art on a separate layer over it. Create a new layer and place it above the sketch layer. Reduce the opacity of the sketch layer and draw the line art of the character using the sketch layer as a guide. Choose a comfortable pen size and start drawing out the character line art with it. You can watch my time lapse and see how I do mine. I'll reduce the speed so it's easier to see what I'm doing. After this step is done, we move to the final step. Now enjoy the time lapse. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps reach more animators too. After the line art has been done, we'll move to the final step. For the last and final step, we'll add colors. I use the fill tool to achieve this, and it works just fine. Select colors you want and get to work. After the colors have been added, you can add backgrounds and other effects. I have tutorials on them all. You can check the link in the description for them. After editing, here's the result. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to slap the like button and check out other ones here. Also help get the second channel to 500 subscribers.